Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add slide background color on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. Now from here open any document. You can see I already created a slide and there are two parts on this slide. If you want to add a background color on this last part, just put the cursor here and then right click on mouse. Then click on format background. After that on the right side you can see this window. Now here you can see so many options: solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill. If you want to add any background color, you have to just select solid fill from here. And here at the bottom you can see color option, then just click here and that's it. Now from here you can add background color on the slide. You can choose any color as you like. Here you can see so many options. If you want to get more colors, just click on more color option. Now here you can see two options, standard and custom. If I select standard and then choose any color as you like and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see in the slide background color has been added successfully. You can also increase or decrease your background color transparency from here, and you can set any level as you want, and that's it. And that is how you can add slide background color on PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.